This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the app and system can change colors. Open Settings General about to check iPad OS. Once done, open the app and immediately look for an in-app settings or return to the system settings list and tap the app name. Make sure display and brightness is accessible. Some color options honor system appearance. You want precise control, so use a finger, Apple Pencil, or keyboard navigation to avoid missteps. Now move into the app's appearance controls to begin changing palettes and themes. You'll now perform the detailed changes. Find appearance, theme, or color in the app settings. Once there, choose between light, dark, or custom. Use the color wheel, hex field, or presets to pick exact tones. After selecting, save or apply to preview the change in real time. If there's a preview option, use it. Make sure to adjust accent colors and contrast to keep typography readable. If available, test reduced transparency or increased contrast for accessibility. These choices affect legibility and usability. To finish, apply your final settings and exit the menu. If some UI elements don't update, quit and relaunch the app or force close it from the app switcher. Make sure to export or note custom hex codes if you want to reuse the palette later. If colors still look wrong, reset theme to default and reapply, then check for app or iPad OS updates. One troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, reinstall the app or contact the developer. Often a bug in the app prevents color changes from sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.